Hey lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a cat, but we will mainly focus on the fur. I found this amazing technique for the fur and it will make the process much easier. For the materials, you'll need 5 colors: green, light blue, blue, white, and black. I'm using Prismacolors, but Faber-Castells work just as fine. You will also need a white gel pen, an eraser, and an X-Acto knife. This is our key material. Here I have a basic sketch of the cat. First, I will darken the pupil and the eye outline with black. Then use green, blue, and light blue in the following order around the pupil. Now use white and blend everything out. At this point, use a white pen and make the highlights. If you want to decrease the highlight size, use blue around it. Use black and color the showing areas. Now take white and color everywhere except the eyes. This is the key part, so try and cover the entire area. It is also completely fine if the guidelines get smudged during the coloring. For the nose, alternate between black and white. Keep in mind that the right side is darker, so apply more black strokes on the right. Now use black and color the shown areas. The area around the eye and beside the nose is going to be left white. Sharpen the black and apply thin lines around the nose and eyes. Be very careful with the direction of the strokes. If you need it, pause the video and see the curve of the strokes. Now use the X-Acto knife and make small strokes above the nose. Do not press too hard, as we only want to remove the top black layer. Leave a small gap between each stroke. It is also very important to notice the direction of these strokes. For example, as we move farther from the nose, the strokes start to curve. Also, the strokes on the sides will be horizontal and slightly curved down. Now use an eraser and lighten up the shown areas. Then blend it out with white. Time for the final touches. Use a white gel pen and add whiskers on both sides. And this is how to draw a cat with an easy way to make the fur. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.